Hi, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you start selling things on Amazon, whether that's right here in Australia or indeed right around the world. We've got over 2,000 great members all selling things on Amazon. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. What is Amazon's BSR, the bestseller rank on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to show you everything you'll need to know about Amazon BSR right now. So let's talk a little bit about about Amazon and about the bestseller rank. Okay, so firstly, what the frickin' hellfire is BSR? What the hell is bestseller rank and why is that important? So bestseller rank, as the name suggests, is the ranking that Amazon uses, which is updated every single hour, by the way, to tell you where your product is ranking relative to other products within that same category, what's called a category node. So you've got category nodes, and that is just a subcategory. Okay, here's an example. This is the bestseller in the garden category, which is what's called a top level node, category node. Okay, but if we look over here, we can also see within the garden category, the subcategory, which are called sub-nodes, you've got outdoor lighting, outdoor decor, mowers, barbecues and outdoor dining, and each one of those has also got its own bestseller as well. So you've got Amazon bestsellers at the top level, and then also Amazon bestsellers within that category node level as well. Okay, so the way that bestseller works is the higher the number, the worse your bestseller rank is, and the less sales you will be making. The lower the number, trending towards number one, the more sales you will be making. So BSR works from high to low, with low being the best. Okay, and that fluctuates all the time. Every single hour, bestseller rank is reassessed, and that's why you will often see products that have just been launched onto Amazon that have got a good launch strategy, like what we teach at Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, suddenly getting the bestseller badge, because that is a measure of how many sales they are making relative to the other competitors within that category node. Okay, hope that makes sense. So how is BSR calculated? Every hour it's calculated. It's based on at the highest level, it's based on your current sales within that hour. And then at a lower level, it's based upon your historical sales. Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. Here's where it gets interesting. You can, within any given hour, not have the most sales for that hour, but still be the bestseller for that hour, if your historical sales are very, very high relative to other products, which makes it kind of a bit of a pain in the arse. So that's bestseller. Now let's go a little bit deeper. So again, top level category node. So this is the garden category. That is the bestseller right now overall in the garden category on Amazon in Australia. This compact hose reel, which is this one right here. So if we scroll down, this is the number one in garden, which is the top level category node. And it's also, surprise, surprise, number one in watering hoses and gardens. All right, so you can therefore be the best seller in multiple different categories. That's what that really comes down to. Let's go a little bit deeper. Somebody give me, well, let's see if we can find something actually. Let's talk about, what have we got up here? So here is barbecue charcoal. Let's just go back. So bestseller is also calculated for search terms as well. It's also calculated for search terms. So the bestseller right now in barbecue charcoal is this honey bricks right here. That's the bestseller, and that badge is actually worth a shitload of money to you to have that badge, as is the Amazon's Choice. So that bestseller badge and the Amazon's Choice badge, that's worth a lot of money for you to have that. So that's the bestseller for barbecue charcoal. But now if we go barbecue charcoal tongs, dunk, 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 we have a different bestseller. Where is our bestseller here? Let's just see. Oops. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Do we have a bestseller in this particular one? Maybe we don't. We probably would do, but it may not be on the first page. Nope. Let's try a different kind of search. Actually, let's just go back here. Let's just go see if we can find it this way. Is it going to let us? No, it's not. All right, let's try something else. Barbecue charcoal tray. Let's try that. So each individual search term has its own bestseller. Here we go. Here's the bestseller for that specific search term, barbecue charcoal tray. Is this. Okay, that's the bestseller. So each individual search term also has their own bestseller. So let's go a little bit deeper. I'm going to give you a link. This is called FBA Toolkit.com. It is free, which is cool. We like free. Go check it out. Send to all. So imagine now, most of the software out there, things like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, anybody that tries to estimate sales for a given search term, typically the big thing that they utilize to do that is bestseller rank. Okay, that's typically the big thing they use to do that. And so FBA Toolkit is a free version that estimates number of sales per day. So if we scroll down and we go look for patio, lawn and garden, which is the one we just found over here. Look, bestsellers in garden. So the number one seller in that one, so number one bestseller rank, that would give us about more than 135 sales per day in the US of A. So that product, which is number one in garden, if that was USA, it would be making about 135 sales per day, okay? Which is a lot. Which is a lot. So, next up, the next question is, how on earth can we manipulate bestseller rank? And that is actually super, super easy to do. How do you manipulate bestseller rank? Super easy to do. The easiest way to manipulate bestseller rank is simply to make more sales than your competitors. That's all you need to do to get your product to be the best seller in a category node, like this one is the best seller within grill basting brushes. All you would need to do to get the bestseller badge is simply to outsell this product. As simple as that. That's all you need to do. So it's based upon your top category. So when you list your product, you put it into a category. That's what bestseller is based upon. It's based upon that category that you put your product into. Super easy. Any questions about bestseller? It is, I think, a very, very good indicator as to the sales of a product, but a very, very poor indicator as to the long-term prospects of a product, because bestseller badge is calculated every hour. bestseller badge is therefore open to being influenced heavily by products that are being launched into a category, and therefore to utilize bestseller rank to make decisions about whether or not to enter a category. I don't get that's such a smart idea, given how easy it is to manipulate whether or not you have the bestseller badge. That video was from my regular every week Monday night open Q&A session where the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs get to ask me anything at all about selling their products on Amazon, whether that's right here in Australia or indeed right around the world. If you'd like to find out more about becoming an Aussie online entrepreneur, you can go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, where you'll be joining over 2,000 other larrikins and crazy people as we all build our own cash out creating businesses on Amazon. Link is in the description. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.